Hi everyone, it is Nat from Studio Hacks, and in this very short video I have a Veed promo code for you. Now Veed is an amazing online AI video tool. If you're not familiar with it, you can use Veed.io to remove the background from your videos. You can use it to translate your own voice into a different language, which is really cool. I use Veed.io to make basically faceless content for my other YouTube channels, because what you can do is create an AI avatar of yourself. And I've also used it to clone my own voice. So it's got text to speech and text to avatar capabilities. I've just done an update on the studiohacks.net website, and that's got the promo code. I've been lucky enough to be taken on board as one of the affiliates of the Veed.io brand. If you visit studiohacks.net, it's got a little bit more about how you can get your own promo code to get 40% off of any of the paid plans, or you can just sign up and actually try it for free. So I will leave a link in the description of this video and in the pinned comment. One of the other cool things that Veed does that I really like is you can use it, see when I'm like sometimes not quite looking at the camera. Well, what you can do is you can use Veed to make sure that you've always got eye contact with the camera. It's very cool. I don't use it for short videos like this, but I do use it for my automated content creation. Now make sure you do subscribe to the Studio Hacks YouTube channel and leave a comment on this video, because I am giving away a 1-year free access to my paid private community where I teach people how to make a full-time income online at zero cost. I will be giving away a free membership every week for the next 12 weeks because I've recently launched this private community. So if you want to qualify for that, you have to be subscribed and you have to have left a comment on this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.